Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and today I'm going to be talking about broken finger injury treatment. It's important that you should know you may be entitled to free private medical treatment for a broken finger from specialists local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest you use a bandage to allow your injuries to heal quicker. Now, broken finger injuries may differ. As no two injuries are the same, speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. If you've had an accident that was not your fault, you could qualify for free broken finger treatment from a specialist in your local area. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from a broken finger specialist. That may also include physio treatment if needed by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. We're also going to be going over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with your injury involving your broken finger. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've sustained a broken finger injury following an accident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with broken finger injury claims. You may qualify for free private treatment if the accident which has resulted in your injury was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. You won't be expected to pay anything up front, and we'll ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. Now, in terms of advice for recovery from the NHS, they advise that it can be hard to tell if a finger is broken, dislocated or badly sprained. You'll probably need an x-ray. Call 111 or go to an urgent treatment centre if you've had an injury or your finger or thumb is painful, swollen and bruised, stiff or difficult to move. Go to A&E if you've had an injury and your finger or thumb is pointing at an odd angle, looks blue or feels numb, is cut and you can see the bone through it, is cut and there's bone poking out of it. Now, while you're waiting to see a doctor, try not to move the finger or thumb. It may help to tape it to the finger next to it. Lift your hand to reduce swelling. Apply an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a tea towel for 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours to reduce swelling. And if there's a cut, cover it with clean dressing. Take a painkiller such as paracetamol, but do not take ibuprofen until a doctor has confirmed your finger or thumb is broken. Remove any rings from the affected hand. Treatment for a broken finger or thumb. Now, a doctor or nurse might try to straighten your finger. They'll give you an injection of local anesthetic to numb the pain. Put your finger in a splint or cast. Strap it to another finger to keep it in position. Give you a tetanus injection or antibiotics if there's a cut to prevent infection. Now, you may need surgery for complicated breaks. For example, if it's broken in lots of places or the nerves are damaged. You may be invited back to a follow-up appointment to check how your finger or thumb is healing. There are some things you can do to ease pain and speed up healing of a broken finger or thumb. Do take a painkiller such as paracetamol or ibuprofen to relieve pain. Keep your hand up to reduce swelling. Rest it on a cushion or a pillow. Gently hold an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a tea towel on the finger or thumb for 15 to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Don't. Try not to use the affected hand so it can heal properly. how long it takes to recover from a broken finger or thumb. Now, a broken finger or thumb usually heals within 2 to 8 weeks, but it can take longer. It may be 3 to 4 months before full strength returns to your hand. Once it's healed, use your finger or thumb as normal. Moving it will stop it getting stiff. Your doctor may be able to give you some gentle hand exercises. Ask your doctor when you can return to contact sports or other activities that put a lot of strain on your fingers. Non-urgent advice. Now, see your GP if you're worried the break is not healing properly. The pain and swelling has not started to ease after a few days. It hurts to use the finger or thumb once the cast or strapping is off. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a broken finger injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. Now, if we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment to help your recovery. Now, they'll be able to advise you on how to deal with a fractured finger, what to do if you have a broken finger left untreated, go over broken finger symptoms, broken finger treatment, how to tell if a finger is broken or sprained, broken finger recovery time, and broken finger healing time.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.